You don't know.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible.
Hey guys, hey, I'm kidding. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you know, my photo item off camera because shit take long. Like, it takes a long time to get these brows popping. So today we just gonna do a little glam, okay? Into this video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Cheers to the holidays, people. Cheers. We're going into our handy dandy. Yes, I know you guys saw this palette like a little bit ago. We're gonna continue to use this palette. Okay, so now we're gonna do some more blending as soon as I could find my brush. It's crazy. I actually organized my stuff before I got on camera and then I can't find it. Okay, so we're just going into this palette. And you just want to smooth out the edges of this shade that we used earlier. Just make it this look, guys, and I'm popping. So girl, finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, look out for a new video next week, same place, same time. So blonde ambition.